I like to show you the scheduling system for the security system. I like to show you here. If you see that here I have like couple of tabs. Here is the staff information where I can click any staff and see all the detail of that staff. Here you can see the staff ID and the first name, last name, and the contact phone number and the email address at the same time, the mailing address. Also, if you go a little bit down, there is an option where I can show you like this, that I can select day, which day he is available. I can set up a day, and also like from like 10 p.m. till say 0600. Until this time he is available only on Sunday, and it's not allowed because I input a wrong time schedule. So I have to put here until like 18 hours. And here remarks that he is willing to work in downtown. So I can write down downtown, and here I can put the save button, click on the save button. So this input has been saved. So if you go to click again about his staff's info, you can see that. At the same time, we can click on the site information where we can see all the sites. After entering successfully into or saving the site entry, you can see all the site info on the right pane. So like if I click here, double click on it, you'll see that what's the site name, site phone number, contact email address, and the detail address here. At the same time, I can see that who is managed the property, at the same time who is the account manager of the building, and the property managed by a property management company, and the site start by this security company since this day, right? There is a calendar here. If we click here, we can say here we can see the date, the calendar, we can fix it, and at the same time hours per week. So that's it, and then we can save it again. Also here the site-wise searching. If you are looking for a site in detail info, you can click here and you can see all the staffs, those who are working here full-time regular. And also if you click here, you'll see the detailed information of that staff. As we were seeing this info, right, for this security guard. You can close the form and then go up and then look at the report. Here we can see select this condominium, and then we can see that who is working in this building and what time to what time, and their contact phone number. So at a glance, you can see all the staff information. You don't need to look into an Excel file because this is much more organized. And say like if you are looking for day wise, so if you click on Sunday, and then there is no data because we didn't select any staff info here. If you go down a little bit and then say here, you can select Capitol building, and here we can see on call. If we save this staff info that he is full-time with this Mozo, and he is also available on Sunday during this period in downtown area for this building and on call, right? So you can save it here. After that, go up and go to the report section back again, and then here day wise, if you see here, oops, there is some mistake here. Let's go back to staff info and then Capitol building, on call. Anyway, so save this data again. Okay, now go back to the report, and if you go here and then see Capitol building and click here, trained site-wise, see here that staff is available on Sunday during this place, and he has been trained for work in this building, right? So this is the person we entered, right? So we can see that like this, that if you have like more than 50 or 60 sites, and each site, if you have couple of like trained people, and then like if they are sometime one stop maybe on vacation, right? So you can select here unavailable. That means you know that this staff is unavailable or on leave, right? So that's how you can find out a person who is available and who is not. So this is a overall very small tiny software, but very useful for precisely security companies, those who do the scheduling system for their security staff, so they can rather than save staff info in the Excel, they can do it in this software, and it's very flexible, very user friendly, and no training needed for this system. So more than welcome to if you have any query, and I'll be happy to reply or answer any question you have. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.